Good afternoon to you. Grey skies once more today, an awful lot of cloud cover, outbreaks of rain into western locations, and all the while staying quite breezy for many of us. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. A good deal of extensive cloud once more, little like yesterday. The best chance of any brighter breaks reserved for the far north of Scotland and parts of the northwest of Northern Ireland. Otherwise, grey conditions for much of the day and an area of rain extending into northern England and Wales. Here staying quite soggy, the rain at its steadiest and heaviest across western coasts and hills, a little drier to the east of the high ground, and staying quite breezy across those southern and western locations as well. We've got highs of around about 12 or 13 degrees across northern Britain today. Further south, a milder feel with the switch in the wind direction, highs of 14 or 15 degrees here. Through the night, misty low cloud will tend to thicken up. Further pulses of rain sliding in from the west. Staying quite chilly for rural Scotland, otherwise double figures for most of us into the small hours. Hello to you again, a very good evening. Outbreaks of rain moving in through the next few hours, staying quite breezy out there, and with a switch in the wind direction for many of us, very much on the mild side. Systems rolling in from the mid-Atlantic as the week progresses, much of the rain falling across the north and the west, and here quite brisk winds. Further south, hit and miss. Longer downpours to contend with, some of these lively with rumbles of thunder, and with that switch of the wind direction we draw in slightly milder air from the mid-Atlantic, temperatures doing a little better than they have been of late, particularly across parts of England and Wales. As for the next few hours, misty low cloud will tend to thicken up where we've got this area of rain extending in from the west to affect parts of northern England and parts of Wales, moving into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland come dawn, and another batch of rain extending through the southwest and Wales. And here quite brisk, blustery conditions into the first stages of Thursday morning, with the clearer skies through Scotland, a little chillier to start the new day. Elsewhere, double figures, so very much on the mild side, nowhere near as cold as it could be given the time of year. And that area of rain making some headway northwards and eastwards through the course of Thursday, staying quite soggy for many as the rain clashes with chillier air across Scotland, some short-lived sleet and snow across the highest hilltops of the Highlands. Elsewhere, lively downpours extending through the northwest into parts of England and Wales. Prolonged, intense and thundery, and the brighter skies in the east gradually giving way. Temperatures are very much on the modest side through Scotland, quite a chilly feel in the brisk breeze. Otherwise, a milder feel to the day, highs of 17 degrees possible.